Now I request the Executive Director Training Railway Board, Srimati Alka Arora Mishraji, to kindly address the gathering.
Respected Daji, Fatima sir, Mr. Shanti Narayan, Kaushal sir, Shukur sir, that's Satyanishta. General Manager, South Central Railway, Vinod sir, my friend Ramanna, thank you. So, everyone has been sending me messages and texts asking me, Alka, what is this Satyanishta? We are only supposed to be talking about punctuality. We are supposed to be honest about it. We are doing honest reporting of punctuality. We are supposed to be talking about the number of accidents, how many are to be reported and not to be reported. I've sat in enough control rooms to know how many actually get reported, what is not to be reported, what is board reporting, what is headquarter reporting, what is DRM reporting. There's a direct phone which goes to the DRM and that is to be treated as DRM reporting. So all this was at the back of my mind, but I could not explain. So today I'm going to give it a try as to how did this whole thing really happen. The chairman called me because I'm ET training and he said that, Alka, can we give ethics training? All of us standard say, yes sir. I had absolutely no idea. After I said that yes sir and I left his room, now what am I going to do? I have absolutely no idea how training in ethics, in honesty is to be given. Like you all, I was typical railway person currently trying to set up the Rail University. So I had no idea. So as usual, we all reach out to Google and I started doing research. And the first thing which came up was IC Center of Governance. And there I see that there is Shanti Narayan sir's name. So I immediately get to him and say that, sir, can you help us do this ethics training? The chairman would like to do it. And he said, yes, we've been doing this forever. So he explained the whole thing to me and I realized that there is an organization in our country and global who is spreading this message. So we needed to get this message to 13 lakh people because it was the chairman's personal decision to ensure that there is transparency in every action of ours, whether it, as I said, repeat, punctuality or anything at all, or is it what we say immediately so that we stop hiding facts? That's where the concept of Satyanishta was born. हम सबको खुद से सच बोलना पड़ेगा और जब हम खुद से सच बोलेंगे तो रेलवे का फायदा होगा और जैसे सबने बताया है कि इतने ज़्यादा ट्रेनें चलती हैं, इंडियन रेलवेज इज द लाइफलाइन ऑफ the Indian economy. So if the Indian government wants to ensure that India becomes a developing country, Indian Railways really needs to get on track. And if Indian Railways need to get up on track, then we all, you, me, everyone, we 13 lakh people have to get a sense of ownership, get a sense of pride. I'll give you a very small example. As probationers, in the train when we used to travel, we used to be very enthusiastic to say, we are railway officers, we dispatch and whatever. After a few years, the badgering became so much. क्या करते हो तुम लोग, कैसी ट्रेन चलाते हो, ये गड़बड़ है, पानी नहीं है, टॉयलेट की हालत देखो, as you were supposed to go and ensure that the toilet was clean. The TT is taking money, someone will turn on and tell you, क्या करते हो तुम लोग? Over a period of time, people have stopped saying that they work in Indian Railways. So the objective of this whole mission, we are in it together. You, me, Vinod sir, has really helped take this to the next level by ensuring that all his divisions and places are now being webcast and are hearing each one live. The idea is that we need to become fearless, we need to become proud of the work we do, and that can only happen if we do a good job and if we are honest about what we do. As Meme Engineering sir said, that start with like reaching office on time. So these examples will be shared with you by the honorable speakers which we have. Prabhat Kumar sir, Mukund Kaushal ji tells the whole Delhi police story in almost like a filmy thing. And it feels as though you're actually watching a movie that, you know, this is what the Prime Minister said and all that kind of thing. So I'm sure you will find it very, very entertaining. And yet, at the end of the day, each one of you has to ask yourself, am I going to be part of this mission? Like me, you can also say, yes sir. So the objective will be, of the end of this, we are not going to finish this today. It's going to keep coming back. We want each and every person, every 13 lakh people are leaders. Every person is an excellent human being. They just need to ask themselves, we are a very important part. We need to be fearless. We need to be proud. We need to be very, very sure of ourselves. And with that, I once again thank the General Manager, South Central Railway, who's actually like a CEO of the railway, and one of the best we have. So thank you very much, sir. And my friend Ramana, who has made all this possible. And none of this would have been possible but for the IC Center of Governance. So a big round of applause for them. Thank you.